Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dwi Ramadhani and my student is 152500092. I am from class 15 to 06. Today I would like present my system programming assessment and title UI or UX concept and Figma implementation. In this presentation, I will explain the basic concept of UI and UX, the importance of good user interface design, and how these concepts can be implemented using Figma as a design and prototype tools. I hope this presentation provides a clear understanding of the topic. Thank you for attention, and this begin. This slide shows the metadata for of the journal. The article is titled Implementation of UI or UX, Concept and Technique in Web Layout Design with Figma. It was 15 May Miftah Farooq Santoso and published in the Journal of Technology and Business Information System (JT Technis) in 2024, volume 6, number 2, page 279 to 285. I selected this article because it explains how UI or UX principles can be implemented in Figma to design effective and user-friendly web interface. Okay, here this slide explains the background of study. Web design has changed from simple layout to user-centered experiences. Today, websites must be both attractive and easy to use. UI or user interface focus on visual elements such as typography, colors, and layout. UX or user expressive focus on user comfort, satisfaction, and ease of pass. The goal is to create intuitive and responsive interface that provide a better experience for users across different devices. Okay, this slide presents the research objective. The first objective is to evaluate the implementation of UI and UX concept using Figma. The second is to test effectiveness of the design process from wireframes to high fidelity prototype. The third is to ensure the final interface is consistent and readable. Finally, the study aims to optimize visual elements such as colors and fonts to improve user satisfaction and create a better overall user expressive. Your methodology. This slide explains the research methodology. The study follows 5 steps: literary, literature, study problem, analysis, solution, design, implementation, and testing, and finally, drawing conclusion. Figma is used to create wireframes and high fidelity prototype, while testing is performed to evaluate the effectiveness of the design before development begins. The project requires Figma and a computer with minimum of 4 GB RAM and 128 GB SSD to support the design process. Key finding. Slide 6. This slide presents the key finding of the research. The study found that applying UI and UX principles create more consistent and user-friendly interface, a well-defined design system improve the use of color and typography, while a clean and minimalist layout enhances usability. as, as ability in addition. Figma component feature increase design efficiency by reducing repetitive text. Finally, a clear visual hierarchy makes the interface easier to navigate and understand. Strike of the research. Slide 7. This slide explains the strike of the research. The first slide, the first strike is the systematic and well-structured workflow. The second in the event affection as the Figma reusable component with safest team during the design process. Finally, the high fidelity prototype provide reality testing and help improve the final product before implementation. Slide 8. This slide presents the weakness of the research. The first weakness is the limited scope because the study only focus on a single landing page. The second is dependency on Figma, as the workflow relies heavily on Figma cloud feature. Even with the implementation, the result offers valuable knowledge about implements UI or UX concept in the wake and design. Next slide. Uh, Next is digital evolution and recommendation of the research. The study conflates the Figma is an effective tool for implementation UI or UX concept because it's the great interface. They are both alternative and easy to use. The recommendative are to maintain a consistent design system, follow a minimalist design approach, and always the high quality prototype before something begin development. Thank you for listening. Okay, last slide 10. Oh, okay, slide 10. Slide 10. Let's bring my presentation to a close. I hope this presentation has provide a clear understanding for implementation UI or UX concept as familiar as well the implementation of creating as friendly and visually appealing web interface. Thank you very much for time and for watching until the end. Once again, thank you.